Hello and welcome back to my channel Themes by Arpita. Today I'm going to make milkmaid dress for this rainy and humid weather, perfect for this weather, and I'm using this leftover fabric to make a milkmaid dress for myself. I already cut out all the pattern for this dress. Here I am using splash and spread method to make a gathers on buster part. Leaving 1 inch gap, I am pinning cutted pieces of buster pattern. After removing pieces, it is look like this. I already cut it out the inside fabric of the buster and sew them. Here I am giving rough stitch, and after that I will pull the thread and make a gather. Now I am attaching with inside fabric and sewing together. Ironing is the most important part of the whole process of sewing, and yeah, you should do ironing each and every step of the process of stitching. Now I'm marking slit area on my skirt. Yeah, this is the good way to mark for yourself. Between them, I'm enjoying bun maska with chai. After enjoying my meal, I am back to my stitching process. Here comes to the sleeves part. For sleeves, I am taking 10 inches length of the sleeves, and I just randomly take the width of the sleeves to make a gather. And taking 2 inches, I diagonally cut the fabric for the armpit. Here is the final look of the dress. Hope you like it. Please, if you like it, so comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow my Instagram account to see more interesting design by me. And so see you next time. Bye.